Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing part 2 of the boat rebuild. So what we got in this box should make the interior of the boat look a lot better. The boat's already in good shape, but the interior's a little rough like you guys seen in the last video. So let's open up the box and hopefully we got everything that we thought we paid for. So let's see what we got. Here's all the stuff, guys. Here's like covers for the seat.
I think that's for the rear seat, the very back one.
Alright guys, so we opened up the box. There is so much stuff in here. I have no idea how we're gonna figure out what goes where, but we'll figure it out. And so we'll just reveal the price for the boat. So the boat we paid $3,000 for. It is a 06 clean title, one owner boat. That's a pretty good price. We were looking on Craigslist. They go anywhere from like 6 to all the way up to 10 grand for the same exact boat. And when we went to go register it, they wouldn't let us pay tax only on 3 grand because they're like, oh, the boat's too cheap. This boat's worth way more than that. So they actually made us pay tax from 5 grand. So we overpaid on the tax, but whatever. It is what it is. It was a good deal on the boat. And then also for all these covers, we paid just a little under $900 for them. It was $800 for the covers, $62 for the tax, and $35 for shipping. So a total of $897. And this is supposed to have every single leather piece that is on the boat. So we're gonna start trying to figure out what goes where. Maybe start with something easy. We've never done anything like this. So let's see what happened, guys.
But the leathers cost about $900, so I was like, let me call a place, see how much it's gonna cost for them to vinyl it, you know, other than us doing it. It's gonna take us quite a bit of time because both of us never did this or anything like this before. So I called a place, bringing our own leather, bringing the boat there. They're like a month behind or even more, I believe, and they told me $2,500 with our own leather to wrap this. And I'm like, got the boat for 3 grand. You're gonna pay 20, you know, so obviously we're not gonna do that. I mean, hopefully we could do all of it. Maybe some seats, we're gonna see. Maybe some seats we might take them somewhere, but I hope we could get the whole boat wrapped or upholstered ourselves. So let's get into it. We actually have no tools for the upholstery. We have a bunch of tools in the shop, but we'll see. Maybe some of them will work. If not, we're gonna go pick up some tools. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. So this boat is a mess. So we did go boating on it, and I would say me did not cover the boat because it was sunny. I was like, oh, whatever. It was in the evening, and then a storm came through, and then also some kind of cat or something else came through here as well. So, but we're gonna start with this seat first because it looks like it might be one of the easiest seats, and we're gonna get into it and see what we could do. Even though this seat looks, it's probably the seat that's in the best condition.
All right, so we found the cover for this seat and we tried it on, and I don't know if this is the right thing to do, or we were thinking it fits right over it. What if we just double layer it?
Look how much extra comes up, like,
and then we can just pull it tight, and then it'll have double the cushion. I don't know. What do you guys think?
I think maybe we should do it.
Try it with one.
Maybe we'll try it with one. I mean, it's definitely gonna save us some time. So if we could do like most of them like that, who knows? Because their size is seems like just a little bigger. So maybe that's what they do. Even like maybe they don't even remove it, or maybe we're just trying to see.
Or we hacks. No,
yeah,
I don't know.
All
right, guys. So we got our seat. Got a little blanket thing to not damage the leather. We got a staple gun. A little air-powered staple gun, a couple just little clip tools to get the staples out, and we're actually gonna attempt to take all the staples out. We're gonna pop them out and just try to do it that way, see what happens. shouldn't be too bad. Let's see how it turns out.
Okay, so we did just basically a test, plus staples, 4 of them on each side, and
looks pretty good.
Yeah, it looks really good. Look at that. So I think we could probably start
the stapling.
I'm glad we probably took that thing off because it was not hard at all. I mean, it took extra 10 minutes, but that's no big deal.
Time to staple.
Let's go.
So the first seat's done. Looks pretty good. Boom. All the edges look good. That's what it looks like in the back. We'll trim all this. Not bad. All right, so next up is the little backrest. So it's for, I think this seat goes like that, or like that. So,
There you go.
let's get to work. All right, so Roman's trying to get this seat out, and to get it out, there's some bolts under there. So once he gets those out, we should be able to pop this sucker off.
So I'm working over here on the front, getting all these off, and he's taking them apart while we're doing that. We're gonna try to get all these off, and then we could put the boat away and just work on those anytime, you know, and we don't have to pull out the boat. So yeah, and then we're gonna clean it all up. You guys will see. Stay tuned. Okay, so most of the interior, I would say 90% of the interior is taken out. We're starting on this thing. So here's what it looks like, a big mess, dirty. Guys, see, that's the side panel he's working on, and then there's the one that goes right there like that. That seat is hard to take off because there is a gas tank underneath, so we might have to, I don't know what we're gonna do with that yet, but and also this right there, this piece, we're gonna have to take that out right there, the throttle, and then take this off.
Walked in darkness, my home was a night. They came into my life, showed me brilliant light. 'Cause you radiate, you fill my heart again. The grace that never ends. I know that you with me, take me to a new horizon. I've never known a joy so vibrant. Your love is where I found my life in. And you glow in my heart.
So it got really hot outside. We decided to move into this dry van that we built because the sun ain't really warming this place up. It's pretty cool in here, so we're gonna continue doing the continue doing the upholstery on the boat here.
You glow in my heart. You glow in my heart. You glow in my heart.
Ever since I've known your love, you turned my life around. Ever since I saw your heart,
My feet can't touch the ground. 'Cause you radiate. You fill my heart again. A grace that never ends. I know that you're with me. Take me to a new horizon. I've never known a joy so vibrant. Your love is where I found my life in. You glow in my heart.
All right, guys. So we have this Velcro piece that holds the seat covers, because the rest of them had like a thing that you can staple to the wood. This one, they come with a little Velcro, and that's what holds this line in. They're all pretty loose and flaking off, so what we're gonna do is we got some, what do we got? So it's a multi-use polyurethane. It says it's not scared of water, resistant to aging and weathering exposure. So I think this should
That's
be good.
exactly what we need.
So this is what we need. So we're just gonna take this off, do a bead in there, push it back in there, let it sit probably overnight, and then we'll be ready to put the covers on. So let's see what happens.
You glow in my heart. You glow in my heart.
Okay, so we glued these things down, the Velcro. So we're gonna have it stay overnight, have it dry up, so when we put the Velcro, it doesn't just fly off. And on the next video, we're gonna take that seat apart. I think it'll be one of the harder seats to do, so we're saving that for our next video. And as well, we have a seat like this that I'm gonna show you guys. So we bought the boat with this seat being ripped, and you guys could see the foam is gone. Well, some of the foam. The Velcro is gone. So it's like, it would be like it's like a hole. So I think we're gonna try to take it to a upholstery shop and see how much they're gonna charge us. If they're gonna charge us an arm and a leg, we're not gonna do it. We're just figure it out on our own. But if they give us a good deal to do this, we're gonna try to take it there. So stay tuned for the third video. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you guys want to see next, and peace out.
'Cause you radiate. You fill my heart again. A grace that never